brassica, are sweet, juicy, and refreshing, one of summer's most loved fruits. Beyond their delicious taste, peaches are a true nutritional powerhouse. Low in calories yet rich in essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, peaches support overall health in multiple ways. In a 100-gram serving of raw peach with skin, there are only 39 to 50 calories, making peaches ideal for weight-conscious diets. They provide about 9 to 10 grams of natural carbohydrates, are extremely low in fat, and contain around 1.5 to 2 grams of dietary fiber. With nearly 90% water content, peaches are also excellent for hydration, especially in hot weather. Peaches are rich in several essential vitamins. They provide vitamin C, 6 to 7 milligrams per 100 grams, which strengthens immunity and acts as a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin A, derived from beta-carotene, supports vision, skin repair, and healthy cell growth. Small but meaningful amounts of vitamin E help protect cells from oxidative damage, while vitamin K supports proper blood clotting. B-complex vitamins, including niacin and folate, contribute to energy production and brain function. In terms of minerals, peaches supply potassium, about 190 milligrams, which helps regulate blood pressure and maintain healthy heart rhythm. They also contain magnesium and phosphorus, important for muscle, nerve, and bone health. Trace minerals such as manganese, copper, iron, and zinc play vital roles in enzyme activity, oxygen transport, and immune support. Peaches offer several science-backed health benefits. They are rich in polyphenols, flavonoids, and vitamin C, which combat free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and lower inflammation. The peach peel is especially high in antioxidants, with studies suggesting potential anti-cancer properties. For heart health, peaches help manage blood pressure and cholesterol due to their potassium and fiber content. They are naturally cholesterol-free and low in sodium, making them heart-friendly. Peaches also support digestive health by providing both soluble and insoluble fiber. This promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. For skin and beauty, vitamins A, C, and E help protect against sun damage, boost collagen production, improve skin hydration, and promote a healthy glow. Peaches contribute to eye health through nutrients like beta-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc, which support vision and may reduce the risk of age-related eye disorders. Their vitamin C content strengthens immune defenses and may help reduce allergy symptoms in some individuals. Additionally, the high water content, fiber, and low calorie count make peaches excellent for hydration, satiety, and healthy weight management. Peaches are safe for most people. However, individuals with stone fruit or birch pollen allergies should consume them with caution. For maximum nutritional benefit, peaches are best enjoyed fresh and with the skin on. In conclusion, peaches are more than just a sweet summer fruit. They are a natural gift for heart health, digestion, skin vitality, immunity, and overall wellness. Adding peaches to your daily diet allows you to enjoy both their delicious flavor and their impressive health